I got asked this question: how do I get rid of my Quora account? And I figured, you know what? I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. The first way I'm going to show you how to do it is from the web browser, logged into Quora.com and accessing your Quora account. And then I'll show you how to do this on the mobile phone using the Quora app. Really pretty easy on the desktop. You go to your profile picture right here, click on it, you come down here, you click on settings. In settings, go to, I think it's under privacy, and at the very bottom of privacy is I can deactivate my account or I can delete my account completely. When you go to deactivate your account, it's going to ask you for your password, and you have to put in your password, and then when you hit done, it will deactivate your account. The next option is if you want to delete your account, again, it's going to ask you for your password. You got to enter in your password, and then you can hit done. And when you hit done, it's going to ask you the question to confirm. Do you want to delete your account? Deleting your account makes your content profile permanently inaccessible to other Quora users. Now, there is one scenario that I'm not sure of that I need to go find out. And once I do find out, I'll update the Quora question and put this answer in Quora, and I'll also add it to the YouTube video. And that is, if I have a bunch of content on Quora, a bunch of questions and or a bunch of answers, do my questions and or my answers also get deleted as well? I'll find the answer to that, and again, I'll put it in the Quora answer I'm going to write, and I'll also put it in the YouTube video. But I don't want to delete the account. That right here is going to make it delete. I'm going to hit cancel. Now, I'm going to go to desktop, and I'm going to go to mobile phone, and I'm going to do exactly the same scenario on the mobile app, and I'm going to show you how that happens there. Now I'm going to answer this question from my own Quora account. If I go to my profile picture, under my profile picture, I go down to the bottom left-hand corner, click on settings. In settings, I can go down here to privacy. Not only do I have the ability to adjust the privacy settings on the Quora app on my iPhone, but I also can come to the bottom and I can either deactivate or delete my Quora account from here. So those are the two different ways of deleting or deactivating your Quora account. One recommendation that I would have is ask yourself, why do you want to delete it? If you're getting too many email messages, maybe you want to go into Quora settings, again, under settings, and you want to adjust the emails and notifications and maybe turn all of that stuff off. I have it on my primary account. I have it all turned off because I don't want any emails at all on coming in from Quora. So I basically get rid of it all, and I pay attention to the notifications in the app. The other thing is, maybe you're getting too much content and you're not interested in this content. You have to start conditioning Quora so that it knows what you're interested in and what you're not interested in. And so start being very purposeful about hiding content, and you will start conditioning Quora that you don't want to see that kinds of content. And there's one more feature to look at. You may also want to go back under settings again and look under privacy and look and see how you have your privacy set up. Maybe you don't want your profile discovered by email. Maybe you don't want anyone to send you messages, etc., etc. So you can manage that there so that, again, you don't get distracted or burdened by information and content that you don't want. That may help you be able to still have access to Quora and get the benefit of Quora without the burden, without having to delete your Quora account. I'm Teddy. I'm a Quora contributor. I love the app. I love the value I get from it, and hopefully the value I provide to others. And I hope this answer is helpful for you.